Hi guys, what is up elders and youngers? This is Digital AK47 aka Ashok. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be talking about a very interesting and an important thing that as a digital marketer, you should know to manage your time. Many digital marketer, when I see and also I've heard someone that many digital marketers don't have time to do all the activities. So this video is specially for you guys, how to manage your time as a digital marketer. So welcome to our channel. Before we get into the video, let me guys tell you that we post videos of news, trends, practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by subscribing to our channel just like this. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So guys, let's get into the main part that this video is fully focused for digital marketers, those who do all the activities like SEO person, social media marketing, PPC, email marketing, content marketing and all these stuff. So guys, if you are particularly an SEO person or social media manager or any other roles, I will be doing for you a separate video in the upcoming days. So this video is especially for those digital marketers, those who do all the activities under one person. So because if you are doing all these things as a single person, you need a lot of time to do all these things. So for instance, take example, you work 8 hours a day, because mostly companies usually have this 8 to 10 hours a day work schedule. So actually in 8 hours you can do many things actually. So in this video I will be actually telling how to manage your time and on what to focus on this as well. So you can also practice this as a regular basis for your organization to keep in track and also to improve yourself as a perfect digital marketer. So guys, first thing is, if you have an 8 to 10 hours work schedule as a digital marketer, so first go with the social media. So actually social media is important because if you are handling clients and if you want to post them as well and also if you want to schedule their post, so take the first 1 to 1.5 hour for social media marketing. So you will get that idea that as a fresh start you can think that today we have to post this client a photo or video, or we want to schedule it for tomorrow. So at the very beginning of the morning you will get time to delegate the work actually. So take your first 1 hour for the social media marketing and then the next half an hour take a time and also check with the clients as well. And if and one more thing, if you are handling clients and digital marketing as well as a freelancer or an job as well, so this video I will be given bonus tip for you at the end of the video. So please watch this video till the very end. So the second thing you can do with this, after 1.5 hour to 2 hours of social media marketing, then you can go up with the SEO stuff. In the SEO stuff you can, because there is many things to check with the SEO stuff. So that's why I'm asking you to spend 2 hours for SEO actually. So in this SEO, first go up with the ranking. How much keyword ranking are there, and you can check the position, you can check the site health, you can check the analytics, search console, and whatever your things want to monitor from the first initially. Then you can check the performance as well. So this will help you to manage the SEO for number of clients, because SEO is the biggest part in as a part of digital marketer's life. So you have to think that SEO is a very big thing to manage, because it is so hard to manage under 2 hours. Even I am facing this problem. So try to make it little bit smarter and quicker, because you have to work smarter in these things, because you have a responsibility of 4 different persons under one person. So you have to think that very well. So under this SEO part you have a sharp 2 hours. So while monitoring this, then you can check the optimization as the second 1 hour. So it will manage your time somehow. After doing this successfully, you will be able to manage your 4 hours for social media and SEO. If you try to finish as fast as with the social media and you have pending time and also balance time, you can consume this at the another work as well. Maybe you can use the remaining hour for your SEO or handling some clients queries or like these things, and the second 1 hour maybe your lunch break or your tea break, something like that. After your break you can go with the content marketing, because content is the major thing in every key roles, because without content you can't do anything in that. So content is a very big role. So you have to, most probably I spend 1 hour for content marketing, also content creation or for upcoming days or post captions or social media works like these things. I spend around 1 hour for that. So I have totally completed 5 hours. So there are remaining still 5 hours. If you are doing an 8 hours job, there are still 3 hours. So the next remaining is PPC, because more digital marketers will be rely on PPC very low. So in that case, PPC will be your less time consuming, but you can do it very effectively because you have still 3 more hours. But I don't suggest you to spend those 3 hours in the upcoming campaigns, drafting, keyword research, target audience research, like these things. You have to manage it within 45 to 1 hour, because I am also handling clients for PPC as well. So I usually do that. I spend an hour because I have many clients with the PPC. So my focus is not relying on so much of SEO, but on social media and PPC. So you have to target your things, because if you are a full digital marketer and doing many roles, then you have to prioritize your works as per scheduling. So if you are more focused on social media, then you have to give an hour by dividing that, and then you have to spend that hour, remaining hour, in the key focus area. So actually you have to focus on all things. By focusing on all things, you will not get delayed, or you will not get worried about, yo bro, I forget to check the content, or also I forget to check the ranking position, I forget to check the analytics. So by practicing this and also separating time for each and every roles, it will reduce your stress, and also it will improve your skills, and also you can get to know more about that, how to improve yourself. Once you figure out how to spend your time effectively as a digital marketer, then you will be able to focus on your key areas. So because I have actually covered in a very wide way, I will be targeting one and each person and my upcoming videos, as I said earlier in this video. So the bonus tip which I said this, if you are a digital marketer and also handling clients as a freelancer, or also doing this as a job, then you have a very tight schedule, because actually you don't know what the client will come up with some query, and also you have to be pre-planned. So in that thing, my suggestion is, because I also worked like this situation before when I was working. So the thing is, you have to manage your time. So because client cannot say that, we cannot predict that what client will come up with a query or suggestion or some work or some scheduling, like these things. So you have to be well planned. So in these 8 hours, you should separate 4 hours especially for clients, and also 4 hours for your work, as usual work. So the thing is, 4 hours you will be not able to focus on all the time client checking for mails or messages, like these things, but you can utilize this also in your work. But when the client queries comes up, you have to split the time for that. This query will take this much time, or this query will take this long time. So you have to think that, is this suggestible to do within this without disturbing my schedule for the SEO, social media, PPC content, like these things. So you have to manage this, because I have seen many digital marketers facing this problem. So as they are doing all the works, they are trying to do the most effective to satisfy client, to satisfy their work. So they usually get stuck or get disturbed by these things. Bro, I can't do this. I wanted to do this today, but because of this one query, I cannot do this. It took so much long. You have to focus on these things, because we have to prioritize that. We have to satisfy the client, we have to satisfy our work, we have to also improve ourselves as well. So to improve yourself as a digital marketer, we are posting latest trends, practices, and on also some new things on my social media, and also there is a playlist of digital marketing news. You can check my card button there. You can check that how much Instagram, Facebook, and also other platforms, Google Analytics, Search Console, the latest trends from them. So also I am posting this as a playlist as well. You can see the playlist in the card button there. So guys, you have to target your time, because 8 to 10 hours job is the maximum which I have ever seen, because there are so much companies that working 12 to 14 hours as well. So that is separate thing, but this is a wide coverage. Until my knowledge, 8 to 10 hours is the ideal job hours which a person do. So guys, decide your time before you start work. So because time is very crucial things. If you are spending a time for more than just for one work, then you are not worth it for your valuable skills and also the things which you do for the company or for yourself as a freelancer. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you like this video and also found this video helpful. And also, time management is very important for digital marketer, which I am saying again and again. So guys, if you are not following on my social media handles, my social media handles are in the screen. If you found this video helpful, do share this video with those digital marketers who are finding difficult to manage their time, and also like this video, drop a comment below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button again. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. Till that, get connected and stay updated. Bye.